Hello, Keira High School. Welcome to this opportunity to learn more about the Westpac Youth Impact Challenge. Before we get more information about this unique opportunity, I'd like to take time to recognise that the lands that we live, work and learn on today are Aboriginal land. I acknowledge country from Dharawal country of the Five Islands dreaming. I recognise elders past, present and emerging, and recognise the strength, capacity and resilience of all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. We remember that this land is, was and always will be Aboriginal land. This opportunity, the Westpac Youth Impact Challenge, is brought to you in a unique collaboration with Keira High School and Westpac, brought to you through the Interact Club, a youth arm of Rotary International, of which Keira High School has been a member of over 50 years, and the Australian School of Entrepreneurship. So what is the Westpac Youth Impact Challenge? This is a nationwide initiative open to young people across Australia from everyone between 7 and 21. This challenge aims to help young Australians solve problems in your local community through the idea of developing a social entrepreneurship venture or a business idea to help people by solving community problems. To take part in the challenge, participants must identify a local problem and brainstorm an innovative business or social change idea to solve it. This is a very unique opportunity and will provide every participant with a certificate of completion. Completing this program with this certificate will allow students to demonstrate and develop your skills in leadership, social entrepreneurship and financial literacy, and will be an excellent tool to demonstrate these skills to employers, universities and other institutions. As part of the national competition, you will be submitting your idea and have the opportunity to win exclusive prizes, which include a Microsoft laptop, an opportunity to pitch your idea in front of business leaders at a national level, and mentoring support from Westpac's Davidson Institute. To support your completion of this unique opportunity, an online workshop facilitated by Westpac mentors will be available on Wednesday the 20th of October in 1-hour workshops via Zoom to support the development of your ideas for change, as well as develop your skills in financial literacy and business development. All Keira High School students in years 7 to 12 are invited to participate in this workshop. However, due to the limited number of places, you'll have to be quick to register. Places are limited to the first 100 students. You can decide to participate individually or in a team of strictly up to 3 students. So where can I sign up for this unique opportunity? Register your interest on the Google form today. First in, best dressed. Registrations will be open until Tuesday the 19th of October. If you'd like to get started early or learn more about entrepreneurship and developing business ideas to solve interesting social problems in an innovative way, click on this link to access Youth Impact Headquarters, which is an interactive and online course for young people to support your development in social entrepreneurship, as well as connect you to other young entrepreneurs. Keira High School students, sign up to this unique opportunity today or join the Interact Google Classroom to find more information.